Hey guys, Micah here with the IML Bounce Back video from iMarketslive. As usual, like, comment, subscribe if you have any questions. If this video helps you, please share it. And also, if you ever want to start trading Forex and learn and partner with my team, the link will be in the description below. So, past profits do not guarantee future profits. And guys, please do not take these trades that I'm doing on video. They're not relevant because I'm doing it after the fact, after entry. So please do not take them. With that being said, this is March 5th. I wanted to show you all the trades that came out yesterday, which we had 3 trades that came out yesterday. We had the Euro JPY for a sell, Euro JPY for a buy, and a buy on Euro USD. So I'm going to show you what happened to Euro JPY, and then I'm going to mock up Euro USD real quick for you because it's really simple that beginners, all you have to do is learn how to draw a line and connect the dots. So Euro JPY, the first trade was called on the 4-hour time frame. So 4 hours. 4-hour time frame. We drop to our 30 minutes to draw our trend line. To draw our trend line. So this is what I've seen, right? So from here, we drop down to the 15 to get our entry. And as you can see, from here, there's my MACD. From here, we're waiting for the break of trend line and the MACD crossover. So it crossed over here, but as you can see at the top, it still didn't break my trend line, right? So here, boom, break, trend line, crossover, this is your entry. So we got about 42 pips out of this move. Then it called a buy, and the buy was on a 1-hour chart. So 1 hour. And the buy, there you go, is my purple line. So from the 1 hour, we dropped to the 15 to draw our trend line. And that was my trend line there. Now we drop to the 5 for our entry. And as you can see, it broke here. It broke the MACD. It crossed over. And for beginners, you would have took about a 20 pip profit. And for those, when you start learning market structure and, you get really good at this, you'll probably start holding some of these trades because you're going to, learn the structure of the market on when to get out. So if you did hold, right now you'd be about 22 pips, 27 pips in profit. And that was Euro JPY. So just this trade alone yesterday produced about 60, 70 pips of profit. Okay. So let's see Euro JPY, Euro USD, and I'm going to mock it up for you to show you how easy this is. Okay, so the trade was called on a 1-hour time frame for a buy. Okay, so this green line is when my trade was called. Now I drop to the 15 minutes, 2 time frames down to draw my trend line. So this is what I see, right? I see this. I see this. And everybody will have a different way of drawing their trend lines. This could be possibly one. And I see this as well. Okay, now we're going to take our trend line. This looks better for me. And this is how we're going to draw it, right? We're connecting the dots, right? Dot, dot, dot. Just like when you were in school or when you were young, you had that puzzle book with all the numbers and the dots, and you connect it to make a picture, right? It's exactly what we're doing. So from here, let me put on my MACD. From here, we drop to the 5-minute for our entry. So as you can see, it crossed my MACD. It broke my trend line right here. So this would be my entry. It pulled back about 3 pips. and right now you're at 13 pips in profit, about, depending on how fast you got in. So I am in this trade currently, and you can see right now I'm in about 5 pips in profit on trade, 3 in the other. So, you know, I got in just a little late, but I twin traded it. So once this one goes about 20 pips in profit, I'll close out and let the next one ride. So that is Euro USD, and you can see this is a real account. Again, folks, please do not take these trades. They're already passed. But again, if you did like this video, like, comment, subscribe, share. And again, if you do want to partner with me in iMarketslive and start trading and learn this bounce back strategy because it's so easy, click on the link below. Until the next video, aloha, stay blessed.